There are two Blue Lagoons in Cyprus. They are located on opposite ends of the island. One is in the Akamos Nature Reserve Park outside Paphos, and the other is here in Ayia Napa, near Cape Greco. As you see, the Blue Lagoon of Ayia Napa is a rocky bay with a sandy bottom and very clear water. This is a great place for those who want to swim in the purest water and enjoy the bright colors of the azure sea. Usually, they get here by boat from Ayia Napa or Protaras, but you can also get there by car. However, instead of a sandy beach, you will only find sharp rocks all around, so it's unlikely to be comfortable lying on the shore. But you can go into the water on the steps and enjoy swimming. But, in our opinion, a boat trip will give more impressions, because in addition to swimming, you will also get a sea cruise along the quaint rocky coasts of Cyprus and the picturesque Cape Greco. Well, swimming from a boat is more convenient than entering the sea from the shore on slippery stones. If you choose a large boat for the cruise, you can jump from it into the water. It is very funny. A beautiful place, ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Now you can see the Blue Lagoon and Cape Greco Bay at the same time.